Aviation enthusiasts, get ready to soar as we unveil the top 5 drones that won't break the bank. From GPS wonders to budget-friendly flyers, these drones are set to elevate your aerial adventures. Let's dive into the dronescape and discover which one suits your flying dreams. The Dirk D50, an entry-level drone that offers a taste of excellence without breaking the bank. Boasting a 2K Ultra HD camera, simple controls, and features like gravity control and voice commands, the Dirk D50 is the perfect companion for beginners looking to explore the world of drone photography. It provides an easy entry into the exciting realm of capturing aerial moments. The Dirk D50 presents several pros that make it an excellent choice for entry-level drone enthusiasts. The simple and user-friendly flight modes ensure a smooth and enjoyable experience for beginners. Features like gravity control and voice commands add an element of innovation to the flying experience. While the drone offers great features, it's crucial to be mindful of the shorter flight time and range, which are common considerations in entry-level drones. The Dirk D50 stands out as an entry-level drone that combines affordability with essential features for aspiring drone photographers. With simple, user-friendly flight modes and innovative features, it provides an easy and enjoyable introduction to the world of drone photography. While the shorter flight time and range are considerations, the Dirk D50 remains a solid choice for beginners seeking a cost-effective and feature-rich entry into the drone market. Stepping into the realm of professional-grade drones, the Ruko F11 Pro photography drone stands out as a powerhouse with its 4K camera, multiple flight modes, and an impressive 30-minute flight time. This drone caters to both beginners and seasoned pilots, offering the capability to capture stunning visuals. However, it's essential to note that occasional controller issues might require some patience. The Ruko F11 Pro photography drone comes with several pros that position it as a professional-grade option in the drone market. The high-quality 4K camera ensures sharp and detailed imagery for photographers and videographers. The inclusion of numerous flight modes adds versatility, allowing users to explore various aerial perspectives. The extended 30-minute flight time provides ample opportunities to capture the desired shots without the need for frequent recharging. While the drone boasts exceptional features, occasional controller quirks may require users to exercise patience and troubleshooting. The Ruko F11 Pro photography drone is a noteworthy choice for those seeking professional-grade capabilities. With a high-quality 4K camera, numerous flight modes, and an extended 30-minute flight time, it caters to both beginners and experienced pilots. It's essential to be aware of occasional controller quirks, but the overall features and performance make the Ruko F11 Pro photography drone a strong contender in the professional drone category. Now, let's delve into the Holy Stone HS100, a drone that elevates quality in the budget-friendly realm. Boasting a large body, powerful motors, and a 2K Wi-Fi camera, this drone stands out as an excellent choice for beginners venturing into drone photography. With an impressive 18-minute flight time, users have ample moments to capture stunning aerial views. The added convenience of an auto-return feature enhances the overall user experience. The Holy Stone HS100 presents several pros that make it a standout option in the budget-friendly drone category. In-flight stability ensures a smooth and controlled flying experience, contributing to the quality of aerial shots. The auto-return feature adds an extra layer of convenience, providing peace of mind during flights. The respectable 2K Wi-Fi camera allows users to capture high-quality images and videos for their aerial photography endeavors. It's essential to keep in mind the relatively short flight time, but this is a minor consideration given the drone's overall capabilities. The Holy Stone HS100 proves to be a noteworthy choice for those seeking quality in the budget-friendly drone market. With features like in-flight stability, an auto-return feature, and a respectable 2K camera, it caters to beginners entering the world of drone photography. While the flight time may be relatively short, the Holy Stone HS100 remains a solid option for users looking for a reliable and capable drone without breaking the bank. Up next is the Holy Stone HS200D, a familiar name in the budget-friendly drone market that consistently pleases crowds with its smooth flying, decent camera, and wallet-friendly price tag. While it does come with a longer charging time, this small trade-off doesn't overshadow the overall value this drone brings to the table. The Holy Stone HS200D presents several pros that contribute to its popularity in the budget-friendly drone market. Relatively easy flying makes it accessible for both beginners and casual users, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable flying experience. The SOSO camera provides an adequate level of image and video quality for recreational aerial photography. While the longer charging time might be a downside, it proves to be a worthwhile compromise considering the drone's overall performance and affordability. The Holy Stone HS200D maintains its reputation as a crowd pleaser in the budget-friendly drone market. With smooth flying, a decent camera, and an attractive price tag, it offers excellent value for users looking for an accessible and affordable drone. While the longer charging time may be a consideration, the Holy Stone HS200D remains a worthwhile choice for those seeking a reliable and budget-friendly drone experience. Kicking off our list is the Pentec T25, a drone that introduces GPS and gimbal features to the sub-$200 market. Despite its compact size, this drone is feature-packed, showcasing GPS accuracy and a tilting camera for a unique aerial perspective. While it does have its limitations, particularly a 300-foot altitude limit, the Pentec T25 stands out as a solid choice for budget-conscious explorers, providing excellent value for its price. The Pentec T25 comes with several pros that contribute to its appeal in the budget drone category. The tiltable camera allows users to capture diverse angles and perspectives, adding creativity to their aerial photography. The fairly accurate GPS enhances the overall flying experience, providing stability and precise navigation. Stable hovering further adds to its user-friendly design, making it suitable for both beginners and enthusiasts. It's essential to keep in mind the 300-foot altitude limit, which may restrict its use in certain scenarios. The Pentec T25 proves to be a noteworthy option for those seeking a feature-packed drone in the sub-$200 range. With a tiltable camera, fairly accurate GPS, and stable hovering, it offers excellent value for its price. While it comes with a 300-foot altitude limit, the Pentec T25 remains a solid choice for budget-conscious explorers looking to venture into the world of aerial photography and exploration. And there you have it, aspiring aviators. The top 5 drones under $500 that promise to take your flights to new heights. Which one caught your eye? Share your thoughts in the comments below, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more airborne adventures. Until next time, happy flying!